Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tanjung and I'm from D3TT4103 and I want to present about indoor building coverage with distributed antenna system. So we are now already know about IBC, right? And then what is it exactly is IBC? Okay, IBC is a optimization method where we install the antennas in the room by taking the bandwidth from the outside or from the existing antenna outside the room, and the signal we can we can canalize into the room. So, what is the background of IBC? Uh, the the most the most background of IBC is a bad signal. Why that signal is the background of IBC? Because the building uh, have a several factors like take the building or the thickness of the building material. So the radio signal cannot penetrate to the room. It makes the signal on the room uh, have a bad quality and have a bad signal. So how to fix the problem? Yes, we do IBC uh, with the method distribute antenna system or DAS, and DAS is a method to use operator achieve the indoor network solution in term coverage and capacity. In the system, we usually use a repeater or bidirectional amplifier or BDA to increase the uplink and downlink signal, as well as for the placement of basement, processing, and radio resource centrally and in the same location. So, with this method, we make antenna and the BS or BDE in the same time, in the same place, So, this is the flowchart, my final project. And first, we choose the building that we want to do IBC, and then we collect the data like height, thickness, or coordinate, how many rooms there, like what is the material, like that, and we know where the engineer parameter or G cell or cell file, like something, and then we do walk test on the room to know how good or how strong the signal on the room without an IBC, and then we do analyze the walk test result, and we know the result, and if the result is bad, we design the floor plan, like we make simulate the building, how many rooms, where is the barrier, what is the material, like that, and then we do a simulation on the IB web software. We do analyze with IBC system, and then we analyze the result of simulation to know how good, how strong the signal if we do IBC on that place, and then we we make we realize the IBC, we make the IBC, we build the IBC on the room, and then after that we analyze again with walk test. We do walk test, and we do walk test to know how good the signal after we make a IBC, and then we analyze the results to know how good, how strong, what is the how quality of the signal after we make IBC on the building, and then we do conclusion, and then we make a report to the operator. Like uh, first, in this part, walk test. Walk test is how to know the kind of strong or quality and the signal and the signal in the room. We do after we build the IBC, we must know how good the signal on the building, and after that we make a result of uh, the walk test result to identify the leading cases good or bad signal on the room, and to know where is the antenna, or where is the tower to where is the tower that covers the building, and we know why the building have the signal. We know from the test results, and then we design the floor plan like the picture you can see. We simulate the building like the barrier, the how many rooms, the pillar, and the height of the building and the material. And then next we do IBC simulation. After we make a building simulation, we make a simulation placement antenna with this method with IB web software. Um, so we know the the antenna, the signal. We can see the reflection of the antenna, or how good the antenna that we place can cover the area on the building area. You can see this. If we place antenna like this position, you can see almost the building have a good signal, because the most color is green. So after that, we do after we realize the IBC on the building, we do walk test after, to know how good our IBC happened. So we know how good the signal after we do IBC, how the quality after we do IBC, and so many. And after we do walk test, after we analyze the result, and then we make a conclusion and reporting to the operator about our IBC, and then yeah, finish. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then we I appreciate if you are want to ask me 3 questions.